I forgot to ask, how was your day?
Well, thank you,
So,
honey.
shut up.
Sometimes you just have to stay positive, stay on the happy side.
And sometimes it's worth the 20 years you'll get. Asshole!
They're kind of heavy. The wrong color. I guess they're faded, maybe?
Door. Tailgate. These ain't that heavy.
Just, $20 maybe.
Somebody will buy it for tailgating. It's a fire and it's a pit, and that might be...
You might have to move up just slightly so I get the door open.
That could be brass or copper, because we're in that rich neighborhood, man. Does it stick? Cheap bastards. Would it kill you to get copper? Wouldn't they take shit apart for me? That was kind of predictable, wasn't it? Okay. It's got the bags and everything in there. Alrighty. She had trouble unlocking the door just then. What's that pipe sticking out of there? Are they nudes?
Who gets rid of the kids' pictures?
Oh, they don't like them anymore?
They don't have any other trash out. It's got wheels on the back. It's got a wheel in the front. I can't tell. Is that a pile down there? There's a pile down there.
I'm gonna drive down there.
And if there's not a pile, you're gonna smack me?
Just telling you.
Okay.
Man. But, tell you what this does require. Here. Do something with them. Right in the way of where I need to be. Stainless.
You ready to fill in the bucket?
Yep.
Things are attached. Somebody has scrapped for us.
It's actually a really good find here.
This submersible motor.
Well, open it. Just because the box says it doesn't mean that's what it is. Just rip the box open.
I'm trying.
Yeah. Hey, there's copper in there. Look. And I'm going to spend all night taking that copper out so I can make 19 cents. What else you got?
That's brass.
Check it.
Yep. That's obviously a cord. You want to mess with the cord right now? You got the cutters? All right. Oh, here they are. Got a hold of it? Not.
Check where you get too carried away with shit. That trash can, that trash can.
Stinky. Ooh, this is heavy. Metal. There's 2 of them.
Alright, I need a longer bungee cord than that.
This green one work or no?
Same size as the other one, I believe.
Yeah. Cords in there? I mean, I know it's empty. It's open. You want this in there?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, a small cord. Hey,
Huh?
it's in that box.
Racks.
And the table, and the box behind the table, box on the table.
Yeah, I checked those. They're empty boxes.
Nothing in that table.
Well,
In the drawer. Alrighty, to start.
know how you get that off. So this is all connected. So it's there. Bottom part. Mostly plastic, you know.
What is it?
It's part of a dirt devil.
No.
But you want the battery.
That battery I will take. Got the little lawn battery. Hmm?
It's like plastic. That's it. That most of the battery, that's just recycling.
Alright. A little something, something. Pull it out like a boss.
Brought a cord with it.
What's it connected to? Let's just watch the show, see what happens when she yanks on it and all that trash comes out.
I'm afraid of.
Oh, you got to get it out of there now. You might as well just open the lid and just, you see it? Almost hit her right in the head.
I got this much of it.
Well, that ain't enough. It's connected to something. Keep a pulling. Keep going.
You know this. Ooh, something stinks. Yeah.
Keep pulling.
Here's another cord.
It's a cord-a-palooza. You're getting there. She's getting there.
It's a rigid machine.
Another cord. Wire or something? What you got there?
Might be more cords, but man, does it stink.
Well, you got a cord hanging in there still. You know what that is, right?
No.
That's a roto-rooter. There's them fucked up shelves. Man, I like that little cash register looking thing.
I think it's a secretary.
A what?
A secretary.
Wonder what that is. Wonder what that green thing is. Keep all this stuff together. Yeah, I really and truly hate these things.
Chairs are all metal. Seat.
You gotta flip them over, see if you can kick a seat out.
Well, they're screwed on.
I know that. Put it on its edge. Flip it all the way over, honey.
Like this? I don't know what you're saying. Like that.
Kick it.
Kick hard enough.
Like that.
Alright, I'll turn them over, you kick them. It's really heavy.
That's what I was afraid of. Take up a ton of fucking room.
This is it. Oh, okay.
You know, we come across a...
Perfect timing.
That was great timing.
I'm doing great. How are you?
Thank you, man. We appreciate that.
You want these out of here, right?
Yeah, for the time being.
So all I do with these things is trash it. They don't allow me to scrap it.
We'll take it.
Right. It's like $20.
Yeah. Thanks, boss. Flip it. Yeah.
Trying to pull it out.
No, get the wires out of there. Because I'm gonna need that corner.
What the heck is that?
Can you lift it up? There you go.
In the center.
No bottom. We've all had to do it at some point or another.
Thank you very much.
No problem with me. They were going to take it away, so.
It'll.
He said he had to trash it, so at least it's not going in the trash.
Yeah.
That's always a good thing. Oh, okay. It's got to be metal.
Oh, it has to be.
Yeah.
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 Well, that's got some metal on it.
And that's a nice curio cabinet. Somebody ought to pick that up.
That's got metal on
Now
it.
that I can take. We can take that.
That's got,
But
We actually have a dryer in the back. I don't know if you guys are wanting that as well. I don't know if you can fit it right now.
yeah, I don't think I can fit it right now, but I will take it.
Awesome. Come back anytime.
Where's it at?
Huh?
Where's it at? Where's the dryer at?
It's going to be right
In
in the back.
the back?
There's a gate on each side.
I'll grab it. We'll grab it. Thank you.
Got that?
it all has to be metal. I'll remember that.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Lord help me.
Okay. We're good there?
Swear to God, woman. Next time she asks me if the load's okay. That's her biggest concern, is it's gonna come flopping out of the truck. Is the load okay? Do you know what you're doing? Are you going the right way? Is there a screwdriver in the door pocket or a big pair of pliers? That might work. That looks fairly new. I want y'all to see what I'm doing here. Taking off the damn brass so y'all shut the hell up. Brass.
Is that all you're
Alright.
dismantling?
Oh, there's another one up there. I-
I'm not doing anything here.
Okay. Let go. Perfect. What I'm trying to do is build a bridge. Like so. What else you got?
This and this.
Go in there. I want them right in front of the water heater. So when I slam the tailgate, hopefully that'll lock in. Cool beans. So you think you have a load now?
Might wait, but
Got rust on them. Something fell. The next one, I want to get it somewhere where I can do something with it. Ow. That go in there. That locks that chair down. Lock that chair down. I'll leave this one.
yeah, is it, do we have room for the table? Is it metal? Got glass on it.
Can't take
No,
glass.
with the glass. This?
Yeah. It folds up. Now, can you jam it in there? Oh, she pissed now. I want to go home. Truck's full. We ain't got no more room. Is this stuff strapped down? Is something gonna fall out? Now we can load up some parts and pieces. There's not as many of them as I thought there was gonna be. No, I probably
And it's sticking out the front.
the way you're doing it. Not the way I'm doing it. Look at it.
I'll bring them over.
Shoot my wad here. A little more than I thought. Put that cord on that vacuum cleaner. Want that cord on the vacuum cleaner?
You got all of them? Lose them?
That's one to make noise. Now that may actually help our load. Good pickup. You've got to learn to embrace the dumpsters. Well, that was Wednesday night scrap run, which I would deem a successful run. Being until we got the truck filled and I only did half of that neighborhood, which is a bigger issue that I left that on the table. But main thing is we got a load. Sammy Hagar's filled up, Old Red's filled. Get both of those emptied tomorrow. It's a holiday. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm yawning. It's a holiday weekend this weekend, which means I'll be scrapping this weekend for sure. Tuesday we'll hit the scrap yards again, and then we're going to try to get the back cleaned out and get that stuff to the scrap yard. And then one of the last things we'll do Tuesday is go to my commercial account and load up, or load up a truck anyway. You know what, I may bring Black Betty off the bench for that. My wife and I are getting dressed because we're ready to go out, and we're going to have a great dinner, and we're going to go see a movie. The problem is the past couple of times we've left the house unattended, it's been broke into. It's almost as if somebody's watching our house knowing when we're not there. So I'm going to take some steps to make sure that doesn't happen. So we leave the kitchen light on, turn on some night lights, leave the TV going. We're going to take an Uber and leave our car in the driveway. And we're going to put our cat out in the backyard. And the reason for that is if we don't, the cat will terrorize the dog. And our dog is just too old to be terrorized by that young cat. So when the Uber arrives, we put the cat out in the backyard, and we start to come outside, and that cat has went through the fence and went between my wife's legs and ran back in the house. And upstairs she goes to terrorize the dog. I send my wife back in the house to get that cat. Now, I don't want the Uber driver to know that we're leaving the house unattended. So I get in the car and I tell the Uber driver, my wife's just going to be a minute. She's in there saying goodnight to her mom because we're going to be out late, and her mom worries when we're out late, so she's just saying goodbye to her. So she'll just be a minute. After a few minutes, she gets into the cab and she is all hot and bothered and sweaty. and said to me, to my growing amusement, as the Uber driver pulls away, "Honey, I'm sorry it took so long, but the stupid bitch was hiding under the bed and I had to poke her ass with a coat hanger to get her to come out. She tried to take off, so I grabbed her by the neck, wrapped her in a blanket so she wouldn't scratch me like she did last time. But it worked. I hauled her fat ass down the stairs and threw her into the backyard, and she had better not shit in a vegetable garden again." The silence in the Uber was deafening. Asshole.